If you're trying to figure out how much Leonardo AI costs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down Leonardo AI pricing in a simple, easy to follow way so you can quickly understand which plan fits your needs, whether you're just testing it out, creating content regularly, or using it for heavier AI image and video generation. And if this guide helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more clear software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in, and Leonardo AI has 4 main pricing options and each one is built for a different type of user. The first option is the free plan, which costs $0. This is the best place to start if you want to test the platform without paying anything. With the free plan, you get 150 daily tokens, and those tokens do not roll over, which means if you do not use them, they disappear at the end of the day. Another important thing to know is that generations made on the free plan are public, so your work is not private, and there are also limits on commercial use. That makes the free tier great for learning the platform, experimenting with prompts, and seeing if Leonardo AI is a good fit before upgrading. Next is the Essential plan, which costs $12 per month, or $10 per month if you choose annual billing. This plan gives you 8,500 fast tokens every month, plus a 25,500 token rollover bank. That rollover feature is really useful because it lets unused tokens carry over, so you get more flexibility than the free plan. If you're a creator who uses Leonardo AI fairly often and wants a solid balance between price and usage, the Essential plan is a strong entry-level paid option. After that, we have the Premium plan, which costs $30 per month or $24 per month billed annually. This plan unlocks 25,000 fast tokens each month and includes a 75,000 token rollover bank. One of the biggest advantages here is unlimited, relaxed generation on native models, which is great if you generate a lot and do not want to worry as much about hitting your fast token limit. This plan is usually a better choice for users who rely on Leonardo AI more seriously for design work, content production, or frequent image creation. Then there is the Ultimate plan, which costs $60 per month or $48 per month with annual billing. This is the highest tier, and it gives you 60,000 fast tokens per month, a massive 180,000 token rollover bank, and unlimited relaxed video capabilities. If you are working on bigger projects, producing content at scale, or need the highest usage limits available, this is the plan that offers the most power and flexibility. So, what's the best plan for you? If you just want to try Leonardo AI, the free plan is enough to get started. If you want affordable monthly access with more room to create, the Essential plan is a good middle ground. If you need heavier usage and more generation power, the Premium plan gives you a lot more freedom. And if you want the most generous limits, especially for video and advanced workflows, the Ultimate plan is the top option. The key thing to remember is that Leonardo AI pricing depends on how often you create and whether you prefer monthly billing or annual billing. Annual billing saves you money on every paid tier, so if you already know you'll use the platform long term, that can be the smarter choice. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how much Leonardo AI costs and which plan may be best for you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Leonardo AI plan you're thinking about using.